I'm Jim Ritchings. I'm Vice President of Business Development with F5 Networks. In my role, I run our global strategic partner organization, which houses our partnership with IBM. We've joined with IBM's dynamic infrastructure strategy primarily because we have a shared vision with IBM around helping customers make optimal use of their IT resources. When we go out and talk to customers, they all want to leverage technology in a very smart and efficient manner to help them support the business and to help their users become more productive. You got to be able to respond very quickly to changing business needs and requirements in a smooth and quick and nimble fashion. And we see this level of IT agility as essential, and so does IBM as part of their dynamic infrastructure strategy. F5 is the global market leader in application delivery networking. Our solutions sit between the users and the applications and information that they're trying to access over the network. And our devices ensure that the applications are always on, they're as fast as they can be, and that they're secure, regardless of the user's location and regardless of the type of device that the user's using to access that information or applications. The return on investment that we see customers enjoying based on their investments in our technology revolves around better use of the resources. Typically, we are able to help them offload certain capabilities from the applications and the servers that are running those applications, things such as caching, compression, encryption, certain types of security. We're actually helping them offload the servers and offload the applications and have us take care of those certain capabilities. And that typically raises the efficiency of those servers and applications, and there's real savings in doing that. The real estate that we occupy in the data center has become a real strategic point of control. Customers have seen that using our technology helps them to enforce certain policies at the network layer related to application access, related to security, related to application delivery, and gives them a unique amount of control and manageability that they didn't have before they implemented F5 solutions. F5 and IBM, in working within the dynamic infrastructure strategy, help customers move beyond the traditional siloed infrastructure that we've been seeing out there for years, where users are bound to applications and applications are bound to the resources that are in place to support those applications. This traditional approach, as we know, breeds complexity, breeds inefficiency, especially when the customer's trying to grow and you start injecting certain things like M&A activities where customers grow through acquisition and they inherit other organizations' infrastructures. By moving a customer to a more dynamic infrastructure, we deliver a new way to connect those users to the applications and the resources. Resources actually become available on a more as-needed basis, a more virtual basis, ultimately raising the utilization rates of those resources. In the end, one of the most compelling things that we see about the dynamic infrastructure strategy is that we can work with IBM to help customers create a new way and a more efficient way to deliver the applications. Oh, it's been great to work with IBM. I've been with F5 going on 9 years, and we've always had a strong and growing partnership with IBM through my career here. The partnership is truly global. We have hundreds of joint customers representing all of the major theaters around the world. We've got several solution initiatives in play right now that are driving those customer wins I just referenced. One of the solution initiatives that we're real excited about is the ANPO initiative, the Application Network Performance Optimization, where we're seen as a best practice to help customers optimize the application access, remove latency, increase performance for applications over the network. We've been able to work closely with IBM Software Group and develop certain deployment guides around a number of different IBM software products like WebSphere, like FileNet, and others. And we're focusing on real customer problems. An example of that is what we're doing with IBM with respect to business continuity and resiliency services, where our products are seen as a best practice to help customers in a disaster recovery scenario. One of the things that we've enjoyed over the years with IBM is this notion of building solutions that attack real problems that we're seeing customers encounter in the marketplace. And because of that synergy, we feel like working with them in a dynamic infrastructure strategy is just a natural extension of our partnership. So we're real excited about the future with IBM and our ability to build on the success we've had in the past.